Look, everyone says just love coding, but how do you actually get there? Especially when you're stuck debugging for 3 hours just to find a missing semicolon. And it's not about forcing yourself, it's about hacking your brain. So let me hack the brain for you. Step 1. Fuel your curiosity. Treat coding like a puzzle, not a chore. Think about it. Why do people binge Netflix or play video games for hours? Dopamine. Your brain craves rewards. So trick it. Start small, like, can I build a script that sends my friend 100 memes at 2 a.m.? Please don't. But you get the idea. Make it fun. Pick a project you care about. Building a portfolio site looks boring, but building a site that autoplays your victory theme song when someone visits? Genius. Use APIs, mess with CSS animations, break stuff. Curiosity is contagious. Step 2. Build a coding ritual. Here's the secret. Obsession is just consistency in a fancy code. Code at the same time every day, even 20 minutes. Your brain will start craving it like that morning coffee. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes coding, 5 minutes break. Tools like Toggle Track or Forest app. Gamify this. And if you miss a day, no guilt. Just code twice as long tomorrow. Or don't. We're chill here. Try to code in public, not like in a park. Share your progress on Twitter, GitHub, or Discord. Accountability works. Plus, flexing your hello world script is a rite of passage. Step 3. Learn like a hacker. Learn strategically. Don't just watch tutorials. Break things. Open source projects are your playground. Clone a repo, break it, fix it, repeat. Focus on weaknesses. Suck at algorithms. Grind LeetCode. Hate CSS. Build 10 ugly buttons, then make them fabulous. Also use Anki for coding concepts. I once cried over a recursive function. Now we're besties. Yes, I know, growth is weird. Step 4. Find your coding tribe. Ever heard of rubber duck debugging? Explain your code to a duck, but better yet, explain it to a person. Join communities like dev.to, Hashnode, or local meetups. Devs are like cats. We pretend we don't need people, but deep down, we crave someone to understand why our ternary operator didn't work. Collaborate on projects, teach others. Nothing fuels obsession like realizing, wait, I actually know things. Step 5. Master the art of lazy efficiency. Here's the truth. Obsessed coders aren't just hardcore, they're lazy. And by lazy, I mean efficient. Why type 100 lines when a loop can do it? Why manually test code when you can automate it? Work smarter, code harder, use scripts for repetitive tasks. Bash, Python, even GitHub Actions. Let robots do the boring work. I automated my deployments last month. Now I hit one button and my code deploys while I eat chips. You call it laziness? Nah, genius. Step 6. Save this video. When you're stuck, come back, and I'll personally yell at you to keep going.